Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. So I'm checking on my video that I started to upload yesterday that I had to re-upload this morning. For some reason, there's a copyright strike on it for music. There's no music in that video. So whoever reported that for a copyright strike, there's no music in that video. My son and my friend Rob are talking in the background of it, but there is absolutely no music. You know what? People that do that shit, like, you have no self-esteem, and in order to get self-esteem mentally, you think you have to bully other people. Well, guess what? Your shit don't work on me. Your shit does not work on me because there's no music in that video. You can't strike that for copyright, and it's my face, it's my voice, no music. Get over it.